Okay guys, welcome back to the channel, Middletown Synthetics. This is when I highlight the small businesses, because this is what America needs to get us going back again. So I'm cheating. He's a fellow firefighter, my friend Brandon. He does work for me on one of my street cars I'm putting together, the 65 Coronet. And although he has a CNC shop, he does a lot of stuff, automotive and motorcycle wise. So I'm just going to turn this over to Brandon, ask him a few questions. You guys will see what it is that he offers. Brandon, how you doing?
I'm doing well. How about you?
What's the name of your shop, buddy?
MOT CNC WORKS.
And where you at?
Middletown, Delaware.
Gotcha. What's your phone number?
302-379-2114.
Now, Brandon, do you have on social media? You have a Facebook page? You have
Facebook and Instagram.
Instagram, and those is how can they find you?
You just search on Facebook for MOT CNC WORKS, and Instagram is at MOT CNC WORKS.
Gotcha. So Brandon, we've known each other for a couple of years, as long as we've been in the firefighting service, and I'm just interested. I've seen your shop. How did you get into this? How did you get here?
Well, probably 10 years ago, me and my father started a medical robotics company, and we started making custom robotics for blood testing, drug testing, all kinds of different aspects in the medical field, and we realized that we needed parts made. So we bought a little shop and we started getting machines in and going bigger and bigger, and then people started coming in with other projects, custom stuff for their cars, for anything. So we just separated out, made MOT CNC, and now we're booming.
You've been here a little long?
We've been in this shop, MOT's been here since January, but we've owned this shop for about 5 years.
Gotcha. So like I was saying, I needed some headers ceramic coated, and I didn't know what to do, and I don't know how I came to ask you if you did it. You was like, shit, yeah. So what else do you offer automotive-wise, like some of the other things that you do here in your shop?
Well, the big thing we do is powder coating for rims, tire, everything on your car can be powder coated as long as you can fit it in our oven. Headers are a big one that gets high temperature ceramic coated, any kind of color they come with. We do a lot of rims, mufflers, exhausts, intakes, engine parts, valve covers, a lot of that stuff. We do hydro dipping, which is the film that you can put any design on and then clear coat over that instead of having it airbrushed or painted, and it lasts a lot longer too.
Is there a size limit on the things that you can hydro drip? Really?
As long as we have a tank big enough, we can fit it.
Watch you. And the turnaround time is usually around how much?
It can be 3 to 4 days depending on the prep and if it's a custom design that you want. They have to print it out and send it to us, and we have to lay it all out.
Same thing for the headers. What's your turnaround time?
Yeah, about 3 to 4 days.
Gotcha. So I looked at this and I really like this, and I'm imagining you did this too. You have the machine to do this?
Yep, yeah, we have a CNC router that does that.
And you have no size limit for the work that you can turn out CNC wise?
No, we do have, it's 8 foot by 4 foot.
Gotcha.
For any kind of flat 3-dimensional parts.
Gotcha. All right. Is there anything else that you can think about right now?
We do a lot of custom welding.
Gotcha.
We do, we make custom exhausts, all that stuff. We can repair stuff. We had a guy a couple weeks ago bringing in an old S10 frame, bare frame. We sandblasted it, epoxy over that.
You do repair work on tractors, like farm equipment as well?
Yeah, sometimes. We built for another guy at the firehouse, Pop Clark, we did a brush hog that he brought in that was all rusted out.
Gotcha.
We just took all the good stuff off of it, rebuilt it. Works great still.
So you pretty much can do metal restoring?
Yep.
All right. So later on, I'm going to get a picture of the custom running boards that you got on your truck.
The chain.
I think that's hot. So I guess if you have an idea, you can come down to Brandon. It's early. I'm freaking retarded. Come down to Brandon, and I'm sure if it's something metal related, he can make it happen.
Yep.
Definitely.
We have our custom welder Leroy over there. It's he's the guy to have here for welding anything.
Leroy, come on in.
Yep.
I'm gonna give Leroy my chair.
Want me to get out?
No. They know who I am. Leroy, have a seat. How you doing, Leroy?
Pretty good.
So how long have you been in the business? Some of your experiences?
I've been welding for about 25 years. I started off at 18 years old, getting into the truck equipment business. Started off installing and servicing snowplows.
Nice.
And just learned my way and worked my way up.
So for the most part, there's nothing mostly outrageous that a customer could come here and ask, and if it includes welding, I'm sure you can kind of handle that.
They can If it's made out of metal, they can pretty much bring me a picture and some basic dimensions, and I can build it.
Nice. And who else do you have on staff?
We have Stacy right here, who's our machinist. Yep.
We're just getting familiar with all of the staff at CNC. You come on down, we're all friendly. So Stacy, how you doing? Good morning to you.
Good morning, Bill.
Tell me some of your experience and your fortes and what it is that
I've
you
been
do.
vacuum machining for 3 years. I took it in high school and diddled in like different jobs. And then I just decided I need to get back into it because it's really cool to make anything out of metal.
Nice. Well, we definitely need you guys. I appreciate you guys. We're all in the firefighter. And Stacy, too, is a fellow firefighter in Station 26. We didn't mention that at all. Out of Townsend, Delaware. So, the Townsend guys, don't get mad at us. We didn't forget you. And that is it for CNC, MOT CNC WORKS with Brandon, Stacy, and
Leroy.
Leroy. All right.